daughter told me she felt invisible in the family. That night, while helping my daughter with her homework, I noticed her eyes were swollen. "Are you okay, sweetheart?" I asked, concerned. She lowered her gaze and murmured, "Mom, I feel like I don't fit in this family." "Why do you say that, honey?" "Sometimes it feels like everyone has something special, except me. Dad is always talking about how talented my brother is at soccer, and you're always proud of how organized my sister is. But with me, no one says anything." I was at a loss for words. It wasn't that we didn't value her, but clearly we hadn't shown it. "Sweetheart, you're just as important to me as your siblings. You're kind, creative, and you always manage to make me smile even on my hardest days. I'm so sorry I haven't told you that before." That night wasn't just a conversation. It was the beginning of a change. I started paying more attention to my daughter's small achievements, celebrating every drawing she made, every story she wrote. Little by little, I saw her confidence grow.